a dramatic police operation on Tuesday, 6 men were arrested in Primrose, east of Johannesburg, after the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department (EMPD) Brownback Special Operation Unit uncovered a stash of Madrox tablets, gunpowder, and an unlicensed firearm. According to EMPD officials, the burst took place at around 11:20 a.m. when officers acted on confidential intelligence about suspected drug dealing activity in the area. Acting swiftly, the specialized unit moved in before the suspects could flee or dispose of the illegal substances. Upon arrival, officers encountered 5 men loitering suspiciously near a residential block. A quick search uncovered 134 full Madrox tablets and 3 half-tablet substances believed to be narcotics, commonly abused as depressants. One of the suspects was also found carrying gunpowder, which he allegedly claimed did not belong to him. This discovery immediately raised alarm, prompting an expanded investigation. The search then led officers to a house in Malans believed to be linked to the group's criminal operations. Inside, a 6th suspect was apprehended after police found an unlicensed pistol hidden on his personal things. All 6 suspects, aged between 25 and 40, were taken into custody in Primrose Police Station. 5 will face charges of possession of suspected narcotics. 1 will face additional charges under the Explosive Act, and the 6th suspect is charged with possession of an unlicensed firearm. Authorities believe the group may be part of a large drug distribution network operation across Ekurhuleni and the East Rand, with links possible extending to Johannesburg's underground market. The EMPD has praised the quick action of the Brownback Special Operation Team, emphasizing that their goal is to dismantle criminal networks dealing in drugs and illegal weapons, both of which are fueling rising violence in local communities. Residents of Primrose have since commended the operation, saying the arrests bring a sense of relief to an area long plagued by drug activity and petty crime. All suspects remain in custody as investigations continue, and more areas are expected as authorities trace the source of the seized substances and ammunition materials. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and kindly share the video.